Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the coolest tools and tricks to keep your ride looking flawless. Today, we're diving into a topic that's bound to rev up your excitement: the best car scratch removers. Whether you're a proud car owner or just someone passionate about maintaining that showroom shine, we've got a lineup of incredible products that will make those pesky scratches disappear like magic. Stay tuned as we unveil our top picks, share insider tips, and give you the lowdown on how to choose the perfect scratch remover for your ride. Let's get started and keep your car looking stunning. Number 5. Menzerna Scratch and Swirl Remover Kit. This exceptional car polishing set features the renowned Menzerna Heavy Cut 400, expertly designed to deliver flawless results while saving you both time and product. Say goodbye to unsightly sanding marks, deep scratches, and oxidation as you achieve a stunning shine and gloss in a single step. The kit includes a premium 3.5-inch polishing pad that's perfect for heavy-duty polishing, effortlessly removing imperfections with a strong Velcro attachment for easy use. Plus, this durable pad is washable, ensuring longevity for countless applications. What sets this kit apart is its user-friendly approach to paint repair. With everything you need in one package, restoring your car's luster has never been simpler. Suitable for all paint types and clear coats, the Menzerna Scratch and Swirl Remover Kit guarantees a professional finish that will leave your vehicle looking brand new. For over 130 years, Menzerna has been at the forefront of car detailing, ensuring your car remains safe and stunning. If you're searching for the best car scratch removers, this kit is your ultimate solution. Number 4. Turtle Wax 50935 Scratch Repair and Renew, your go-to solution for revitalizing the appearance of your vehicle. This remarkable product is designed to effectively eliminate fine surface scratches, swirls, paint transfer, and more, making it an essential addition to your automobile care routine. Suitable for all vehicles, including cars, trucks, and motorcycles, it works wonders on both dark and light paint finishes. With a formulation that features advanced resins, Turtle Wax ensures a seamless blend with surrounding paint surfaces, enhancing your vehicle's overall shine. You can achieve professional-looking results without needing extensive experience. Simply apply it by hand using a microfiber or cotton towel, or utilize a dual-action or orbital machine polisher for an even finish. What sets the Turtle Wax Scratch Repair apart from other products is its universal compatibility with all paint colors, making it one of the best car scratch removers on the market. Just remember to avoid using it on vinyl tops, wraps, or matte finishes, and always test on a small area first. Say goodbye to unsightly blemishes and hello to a beautifully restored vehicle with Turtle Wax. Number 3. Chemical Guys VSS One-Step Scratch and Swirl Remover. This exceptional polish is designed to make your detailing sessions quick and efficient, cutting through tough imperfections while delivering a mirror-like finish in just one step. No more wasting time on multiple polishing products. VSS combines the power of a compound with the finesse of a polish to save you time and product. With its user-friendly formula, VSS effectively restores a lustrous, scratch-free finish without masking any imperfections. Whether you're working on cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, or RVs, this versatile polish is your go-to solution for minor blemishes. Car lovers around the globe trust Chemical Guys not just for their top-tier products, but also for their unparalleled customer service and expertise in detail care. Experience the best in car scratch removers and embrace the lifestyle of pristine automotive care with Chemical Guys VSS, where your vehicle's shine is just a polish away. Don't miss out on transforming your ride into a stunning showcase. Number 2. New Finish Exterior Car Care Kit, featuring the Scratch Dr. Car Scratch Remover and the once-a-year car polish. This two-piece car care kit is designed to deliver a showroom shine that lasts, all while being incredibly easy to use. In just 2 effortless steps, you can buff out scratches and apply a long-lasting shine that transforms your car's exterior. Experience visible results as you witness the remarkable difference before and after using this kit. The Scratch Doctor effectively tackles those annoying blemishes, while the once-a-year car polish provides a protective layer that keeps your car looking its best throughout the year. Say goodbye to complicated and time-consuming detailing tasks. Simply wipe or rub on, allow it to dry to a haze, and wipe off for an impressive finish. The new Finish Car Care Kit stands out as one of the best car scratch removers on the market, making car maintenance both manageable and satisfying. Elevate your car's look with new finish today and enjoy the confidence of a vehicle that shines like new. Number 1. Meguiar's Pro Speed Compound M10032 is the ultimate solution for those seeking to restore their vehicle's shine and eliminate imperfections. Utilizing advanced technology, this fast-cutting auto compound effectively removes sanding marks as fine as 1200 grit, making the polishing process easier and more efficient. It doesn't just stop there. This professional-grade polish is crafted to tackle deep scratches, acid rain damage, and unsightly swirls or holograms that can detract from your car's appearance. Designed to work perfectly on both fresh and cured paints, Meguiar's M10032 is safe and effective on all glossy finishes, including clear coats. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, this compound is formulated for use with a rotary buffer, ensuring a smooth application that's body shop safe. Boost your vehicle's aesthetic appeal with confidence. Meguiar's Pro Speed Compound is your best ally in the world of car scratch removers. Get ready to achieve a flawless finish that turns heads on the road. In conclusion, having the right car scratch remover can save you time and money while restoring your vehicle's appearance. From top-rated solutions to DIY options, there's something for everyone. Remember, prevention is just as important, so keep your car protected. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts below. Your support means the world to us.